Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Anu who lived in a small village. She loved reading books but struggled with understanding them because most were in English. One day, Anu decided to learn English. She started by practicing every day, watching English movies, and reading simple books. As she improved, Anu discovered that knowing English opened doors to better job opportunities, allowed her to connect with people around the world, and helped her access more knowledge. She felt empowered and confident, knowing that learning English had changed her life. Moral: learning English can unlock countless opportunities and connect you to the world.